At a high level, there are really only two main types of solar and storage incentives and rebates: one-time and ongoing. One-time incentives are typically lump sum bulk payments of a cash rebate or a tax incentive. The key characteristic of these types of incentives and rebates is that it doesn't matter how well your solar or storage system performs. It's an incentive designed to get more people to adopt these technologies overall, so all that matters is that you purchase and install these products. For the most part, one-time incentives are generally tax incentives. In fact, the Federal Investment Tax Credit, or ITC, which is the best financial incentive for solar, is this kind of incentive. Ongoing incentives, on the other hand, pay for the performance of the products. This could be in terms of the amount of energy generated by the solar panels, the emissions avoided by that energy, or grid services provided by your battery, for instance. In other words, ongoing incentives take the form of SREC, or performance-based incentive payments, and it can be helpful to think about or frame net metering as this type of incentive too. Ongoing incentives will typically show up as a monthly bill credit or, in some cases, as a monthly check or direct deposit into your customer's bank account by their utility. These financial incentives are offered by three main parties: the federal government, your state government, or your local utility. In some cases, there will be overlap of the incentives offered by these different entities. For instance, your customers may be eligible for tax incentives from both the federal government and your state government. But typically, ongoing or performance-based incentives are only offered at the state or utility level.